Hello everyone. So today we will learn about National Instrument VI tool. This is virtual instrumentation tool which is the product of National Instrument. So today we will learn about 7 segment display. How to design 7 segment display using VI tool. So this experiment will take the input from the user, which will be analog input, and it will be displayed through LED. So for doing that, first what we have to do, we just have to go to front panel. This is the front panel and this is the block diagram. So user will be knowing about the front panel. He will give the input in front panel and he will get the output in front panel only. He will not know about what is going on inside, and those things will be done in the block diagram. Where this is actually, we can say this is back panel, like all the things or all the required multiplication or mathematical calculation will be done inside the block diagram panel, and in front panel we can see input and output. So to do that, we just have to right click on front panel, then we have to select numeric. So from numeric we will get many inputs like numeric control, numeric indicator, all those things will be there. Input and output both will be there, like thermometer, this is output. So this is numeric control, we have to take input, so control is the input. We'll click on that and now we can edit this. Like this is our input we will take. We can insert the value here like 4, 5, all those things. Corresponding block diagram will appear here, so we don't have to bother about this. This will appear automatically when we will select numeric from here, numeric control. So now what we want to display, we want to display this 5 on a LED display, 7 segment LED display. So for to do that, we just have to create 7 LEDs in the front panel. So here we have to go to Boolean. Now in Boolean we have to select square LEDs. There are many LEDs, round LEDs, square LEDs. Then push button is also available. This is like when you want to supply 1 or 0, then we can use push button. OK, cancel, all those things. Like suppose you want to stop the program which is running inside the system, so you will use stop button, but we don't require this here, so we'll not use it. Now square LEDs we will select. We need 7 LEDs because we are concentrating on designing 7 segment display. So now what I will do, I will just rewrite it as A. This is A, and I will expand it to the extent which I want. So it is expanded. Okay, this is expanded. Now I need to draw a structure like 8. So for to doing that, what I will do, I will select this. I will not go again and again here, and I will not select this again and again. What I will do is I will just select it. I will press Ctrl and drag it. So it is my 2 second LED. Correspondingly, second LED thing will appear here automatically. So we can increase the font here, press Ctrl plus 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 plus. Then again what you have to do, press Ctrl plus 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 plus. So I will just drag 7 LEDs like this. 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. What I will do, I will place it, I will rename it first. B C D E S F G. So I need to take this here. Okay, how to rotate it? There is no option to rotate it, so I could have done like this. Remove it. Could have done like this. Press it, elongate it like this, and now bring it here. Now do it like this. Second, third, fourth. So this is the structure 8. So now I will rename it A B C D E F G. So if now the corresponding thing in block diagram came automatically. Now this is 5, we are giving 5 input, so what it should do, 5 should glow like 5 LEDs. What are the LEDs should glow here? 5 for 5, this A D B F C. So this is 5. Actually we have to display here 1 to 0 to 9 digit in this 7 segment display. So now what I have to do is, I will take one case structure. I will get from structure, I have to go to block diagram section, I have to click right, then structure, then case structure. This is the case structure. So I have to add 9 different cases for this. Already 2 are there, so I will add, right click here, add case after 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So I have added 10 cases here. I can rewrite it 0. This is 1. This is 2. This is 3. Then 4 5 6 this is 9th. So all the numbers are there, case 0, case 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So now for 9, to display 9, what are the numbers should glow? So to display 9, this A should glow, this D should glow, this B should glow, this E, F, C. This should not glow. So what we will do is, we will just take one boolean function from here and true. I have to make these LEDs true. I and G value should be false. So what I will do, I will take one boolean function and I will place it true, and for G I will take false. So now I have to connect all those things except G, all will be sorted. A, B, so I will take this in a A, B, C, D, E, F, and false, take it here, and G. Now for 9 we have created the variables. These are the variables. So suppose I have to take these LEDs for another variable also. So for that we need to create a local variable. So for doing that, we will right click here and we will create local variable for all the values like A, B, C, D, E, F, G. So local variable are created. I will connect this to true, sort it. For 9, these values should glow. And for this case structure, what is the input? This is the input. Like we are giving input here 5, 0 to 9 something. So this is the input. So we will connect it also. This is the input for this case structure. Now for 8, what are the LEDs should glow? B should not glow, and no, B should what? All the LEDs should glow actually. No, all the LEDs. Okay. So for 8, all the LEDs should glow, and for that, what we will do? We will take all the local variable inside to the case structure, and all the values should be true. So what I will do, I will take once again true, and I will connect it. So similarly, sort all the now for I have to copy this and I have to paste 7 for 7 here, 8, for 7. Now we have to decide what are the LEDs should glow. So for doing that, let's connect it, then For 7, only A, E, F should glow. A, E, F, and all these should not glow. For 7, for 6, let me take this. For 6, E should not glow and all other LEDs should glow. E should not glow. Similarly, make all the connections by yourself. For 5, for 5, E and G, E and G. Take this here and take this. For 4, for 4, you decide what should not glow. These A, G, C should not glow. A, G, C should not glow. A, G, C. A, G, C should not glow. For 3, 3, D and G should not glow. D and G should not glow. For 4 3 D and G. D and G should not glow, otherwise everything should glow. Now for 2. For 2, DEF. DEF should not. DEF should not glow. DEF should not glow. DEF should not glow for 2. Now for 1, only this should glow, all others should not glow. So E and F. E and F should glow. E and F. All others should not glow. And for 0, only B should not glow. So now it is done. Now I need one. This is actually done. So we need one stop button here because we will run the program continuously. For stop button you have to go to boolean, then stop button. Stop button will appear here. You have to stop all the process. So to do that we need to if you want to run this program continuously, so for doing that we need a while loop here. So we can get that from structure while loop, and we will insert all this inside while. And what we will do, we will just stop the thing. Whenever we will click on stop, the program should stop. What is the error? Let me see. Local variable, this variable is not connected to anything. Local 1, local variable 1. So we can refresh it. Like this. It is saying local variable untitled 1. This variable is not connected to anything. There is a local variable which is not connected to anything. We need to search that. Where is that? 0. A, B is connected, C, D, E, F, G is connected. For this is okay. For this A, B, C, D all are connected. ABCD all are actually connected. This here C for 3 for 3 what should glow? 3 should A, E, B, F, C should glow. C should glow means C no C should glow means C is connected. So again something is missing. Case structure. No case for some selector value. No case for some. We need to define a default case. Make this a default case. Now okay, the error is removed. Actually the error is removed. Now we can run this program. So here it is a while loop. Inside while loop, case structures are there. So many case structures means case 1 2 3. From 0 to 9 there are 10 cases. Now we have to run the programs. Like suppose we are running the program continuously. Suppose we want to run the program continuously. So for that we will run this run continuously, and for that we need a stop button. But if we don't want to run it continuously, we can click here also. It will take an input and it will display 5 in LED 7 segment display. Let's try that. Program is running. Actually it took the value and it displayed 5 like this. Now suppose you want to stop it. Now stop it. You can do that here. Run it continuously. Now we can change the value here. 1, it will show 1. 0, it will show 0. 2, this is 2. So 2, there is some error. E is not connected, I think. So let's stop the program. Stop it. For 2 there is error. Some error in 2. So E should glow actually. For 2 E should glow. For 2 E should glow. But it is connected here. So we should remove this wire. Delete this branch and connect it to here. Now let's run the program. For 2 now this is correct. Now 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So here we have seen how we can draw 7 segment display on VI application. So we can stop this through stop button. Now we can save this program somewhere. So thanks for watching my videos. If you like it, please press thumbs up button. If you learned something, then comment down below. Comment below, discuss about it. If you need anything extra, that also you can comment there. I will try to find out the solution. I will put on my channel. Thanks for watching.